So here we have a worksheet for our pumpkin theme unit, and we're looking at a pumpkin's life cycle from seed to flower to small pumpkin to big pumpkin, which of course will have seeds that'll grow a vine with flowers that will pollinate into small pumpkins and grow into big pumpkins which have seeds, and so on. So we get the life cycle. Our first job though is to color these pictures. So my big large pumpkin, I can make this an orange pumpkin, even though there are many different kinds of pumpkins that come in different colors. Let's make this one orange. And I'm going to make the vines green. And the stem brown, even though it could be green as well. The stem is part of the vine that gets cut. And of course we've got a leaf on it. There's my large pumpkin, which will produce seeds. Those seeds are usually white. You could make it a little off-white, maybe a little yellowish, but for the most part, they're usually white. That will grow a flower, and these flowers are often an orangey yellow color. So I'm going to put a bit of orange, but also a bit of golden yellow in this flower. When the pumpkins first grow, they really are a green color. And then they turn sort of yellowish, and then they turn orange. Unless, of course, it's a pumpkin of a different color, like a blue one, or a red one, or a brownish beige one. Usually they start off as small green pumpkins. If you want to add a little yellow in this one in some areas, that's okay. Maybe we'd be saying the pumpkin's slowly starting to go from green to orange. But mainly it's a green pumpkin. Okay, we've got my pumpkins colored in. Next job is to take scissors and cut these pieces out. Okay, I have my 4 pieces cut out, my big pumpkin, small pumpkin, the flower, and the seed. Now I want to glue them in, but I want to glue them in the correct order, so I need to set them up on my page first. So I know if I have a pumpkin that's big, what's going to come out of it is going to be a seed. And from that seed will grow a pumpkin plant that will have a flower. And from that flower will grow a small pumpkin, which will turn into a big pumpkin that'll produce seeds, plants that flower, small pumpkins, big pumpkins, and around it goes. So I've got them set up. I can see that they fit on my paper. I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue them into that spot. Now the last job I want to do is I want to use my white crayon, because I'm using black paper, to draw arrows to show the cycle. So from a big pumpkin, I can draw a line and an arrowhead showing the seed. And from the seed, I can draw a line and an arrowhead showing a flower. And from the flower, a line and an arrowhead showing the small pumpkin. And from the small pumpkin, a line and an arrowhead showing the big pumpkin. And if I want, I can give this a title like Pumpkin Life Cycle. I guess I better put my name on it as well. Okay, I've got my finished work. Pumpkin life cycle.